So what religions believe that man is inherently God? The occult world. The entire occult world believes it. Hinduism believes it. Mormonism believes it. The Roman Catholic Church believes it. Spiritualism, New Age, believes it. What about evangelicals? Do they believe it? Do Protestant evangelicals believe it? Or let me rephrase that. Should they believe it? No. Do they believe it? What has Kenneth Copeland openly said? What have all those mega preachers out there openly said? And if Norman Vincent Peale said it, he was the mentor of evangelists like Billy Graham. Not only that, there's someone else today living that claims him as a mentor, and that man is called Donald Trump.